Good day sa lahat ng grade 7 learners natin. For this week, quarter 3, week 2, under the Matatag curriculum, pag-aaralan natin ang balance and unbalanced forces. Batay sa ating napag-aralan last time, ano kayang forces ang present dito sa picture? Merong arrow down and arrow up. Okay, tama. Yung arrow down signifies a gravitational force and the arrow up signifies a normal force. Remember na these are types of forces and yung gravitational force is an example of a non-contact force and yung normal force naman is an example of a contact force. Now look at the force present on the box. So tinutulak ito ng dalawang lalaki with equal forces. 5 Newton. Remember that Newton is the unit for force. This signifies an equal pushing. Forces that are equal in magnitude or size but opposite in direction are called balance force. Now, I would like to highlight the word equal in magnitude and opposite yung direction ng forces. That signifies a balance force. Balance force do not cause a change in the object state of motion or rest. In other words, hindi gumagalaw ang isang object pag present yung balance force. Now, let's have an example. So, this is a great example of balance force. Tingnan ninyo. Tug of war, di ba? Mahilig kayo maglaro nito. And tingnan nyo yung force na gina-apply dito. Both of the sides applied 300 Newton of force. So, do you think gagalaw ang rope na ito? Okay. Rope remains unmoved because the rope is pulled with same forces at both ends. And tingnan natin, lahat ito ay pulled with 300 Newton each side. Kaya, isa itong example of balance force. Now, tingnan ninyo ang car. Back and front do have 5,000 Newton. So do you think the car will move? Okay, car speed stays the same because the forward and backward forces are equal. In other words, hindi talaga gagalaw yung sasakyan kasi both forces, back and front, do have equal forces, which is 5,000 Newton each. Now look at the forces. So, yung isang lalaki, tinutulak niya yung box with 15 Newton. And yung isang lalaki naman is tinutulak yung box with 5 Newton. So, this means unequal pushing. From the word unequal, ibig sabihin, hindi pantay. So, forces that are not equal and in opposite direction are called unbalanced forces. I would like to highlight the word not equal, hindi pantay, and in opposite direction. Therefore, that is unbalanced force. Kabaliktaran nung isa kanina, which is called the balance force. Now, unbalanced force cause a change in the object state of motion or rest. In other words, gumagalaw yung isang object pag merong unbalanced force. Now, let's have another example. Yung kanina na tug of war. Now, dito sa kabila, hinihila ng lalaki with 100 Newton and doon naman sa kabila is 300 Newton. Do you think the rope will move? Very good. The rope moves to the left because there is a greater force being applied on one side. Another example. Sa back is 2,000 Newton and sa front is 5,000 Newton. Do you think the car will move? Very good. It will move and the car will now speed up or accelerate because the forward and backward forces are no longer equal. So tandaan natin yun ha. Pag unbalanced forces, there is a change of the object state. Now, ano pa bang kailangan nating malaman when it comes to balance and unbalanced? Take a look with this diagram. When the forces are equal, is this balance or unbalance? Okay, very good. That is balance. Is the object in motion or at rest? Ayan, so it is at rest. How about this one? Is the object balanced or unbalanced? Okay, very good. That is balance. In motion or at rest? Ayan, that is at rest. At rest. So, balanced forces occur when two opposite forces results in no motion. Again, pag sinabing balanced forces, opposite forces na hindi gumagalaw yung isang. Now, let's have another example. Same direction of forces with different applied force. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Okay, so that is unbalanced. Is it in motion or at rest? Okay, very good. So, magagalaw talaga ito kasi dalawang forces ang in-apply with the same direction. How about this one? Opposite direction pero magkaiba yung kanyang forces applied. Okay, this is balance or unbalanced? So, that is unbalanced. Is the object in motion or at rest? Okay, very good. The object is in motion. Remember that unbalanced forces occur when one force is stronger than the other, which results in motion. So, mas malaki yung forces yung force ng isa and mas maliit yung isang force. Therefore, saan papunta yung direction? Of course, doon sa may malaking force. Now, let's apply activity para mas ma-realize natin yung importance and application ng balance and unbalance. First example, a book sitting on a table. Yung book nasa table lang. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Okay, very good. That is an arm wrestle and you won. No? So, nagpapalakasan kayo ng braso, dalawa. So, ano ito? Balance or unbalance? Okay, very good. This is a dog pulling a dog toy with you and it's a tie. Is it balance or unbalance? Very good. This is balance. A birdhouse hanging on a tree. Is it balance or unbalance? Very good. This is a tug of war with a team that fell down. Is it balance or unbalance? Okay, very good. That is a hammer coming down on a nail. Is it balance or unbalance? Okay, very good. That is unbalanced. A cup sitting in a saucer. Is it balance or unbalanced? Okay, very good. That is balance. A tennis ball going over the net. Is it balance or unbalanced? Okay, very good. That is unbalanced. A boy pushing a boulder that won't move. Is it balance or unbalanced? Okay, very good. That is a balanced force. A bowling ball sitting on an alley. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Okay, that is a balanced force. Give your own example of a day-to-day core that shows balance or unbalanced forces in it. Now, para ma-apply ninyo sa inyong sarili kung ano ba talaga yung mga examples or practical examples that shows balance or unbalanced forces, you can give an example of your own. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope na may na-learn kayo with regard to balance and unbalanced forces. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell para mas updated pa kayo sa mga new lessons na maibibigay natin. Thank you so much, Grade 7, for listening. God bless.